I want to test out acro mode. And so we're going to unplug it. It's just like with the stock transmitter. You have to remove the battery. Oops, I dropped it. You have to remove the battery and then put it in acro mode in order for it to boot up in acro mode. There's a different tone that it makes, so let's hear it. Let me see, what did I program acro mode to? I think it's the switch that I hit there. It should be in acro mode now, so let's see. Yep, it's in acro mode now. And I want to try something to try to get it in, to try to get this thing to like emulate air mode. I'm just going to go up a few clicks on the throttle. And it didn't do anything. Okay, so I have to arm the motors first. Okay, so it worked, I guess. And it feels really touchy. Very sensitive in acro mode. Wow, so let's try to get over here. It feels really weird. So I think we're probably going to have to use some maybe some Expo or something. Yeah, because acro mode feels really weird. But it is in acro mode though, for sure. Yeah, it feels really fidgety though. It's not as smooth as I'm used to in acro mode. So let's try it again. Yeah, something's different about the acro mode. I can't really put my finger on it, but it is acro mode instead of air mode. I'm used to flying air mode. And what I did was made it so that when I bring the throttle all the way down, I still have a little control. So it works though. I think maybe I need to turn the pitch and roll rates down a little maybe. Let's see. We'll just go lighter on the sticks, I guess. It takes some getting used to, I guess. Kinda windy out here. Maybe it's because of how light this thing is. Got a bunch of traffic coming through here that's not supposed to come through here. I think I'm done with the acro mode right now. So you don't even have to bind up again. You can just have the transmitter turned on and it automatically binds to the transmitter. So check it out. deviation control for the Bug3 Mini now. I think it's better for angle mode than acro because it feels very touchy, really fidgety in acro mode. So it looks like it might have gained some yaw speed. The pitch has always been deep, so I don't think it changed much as far as the pitch of it. So better range for it and better control. Not a bad night flyer. So I have one of these switches programmed to turn off the lights. So let's check that out. There you go. Oh, there we go with LVC on it. And it's alarming. So that's it, a quick flight demo of the Bug3 Mini with deviation. I'm flying it with the Devo 10, but you guys know that means that you can fly this thing with your jumper T8SG. More on this in a future video. Thanks for watching.